Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the swatches of Beromt liquid lipsticks. These matte lipsticks which is quick drying and comfortable to wear. These are not powdery matte but also not the inky sticky matte which some matte liquid lipsticks are, making it a good texture. The formula of these lipsticks are whole lot lighter on the lips and feels like you're not wearing any lip color even though it looks opaque. The applicator is not too huge, which makes it easy to paint on the uneven outline of small lips like mine. The formula is also such that you don't need to dip back into the tube to cover the whole lip, which means it spreads well without being runny. Lipstick videos are the toughest for me because there are so many lipsticks and it gets difficult to remove and reapply. Beromt has two types of lipstick range, one is matte and the other one is metallic. First I will show the matte swatches and then I'll show the metallic ones. This is a beautiful punch pink lipstick. This looks more nude in the tube than it is. In reality, it is a great everyday mid-tone color. This is a fuchsia pink and it's perfect for those who love those loud bright pinks from MAC, NYX and Sugar. This is a light rosy nude which isn't too pink but aims to realistically mimic a natural lip color. This is great for light to medium skin tone. It's a beautiful vibrant red that is not too dark but not too light and definitely makes teeth look whiter. The perfect dark blurred red. This looks maroon on the tube but goes on slightly brighter like a vampy maroonish red. I love it because it's such a badass femme fatale red. It's a light brown so it works well as a nude, but it's different from the pinkish nudes you usually see. I was instantly drawn to this shade. From fair to deep, everyone looks good in chocolate brown. It also looks different in the tube. This dark chocolate shade is all about drama and definitely better for those who like an instant gothic vibe. The mauve burgundy will instantly steal the spotlight on your face. Invest in your lipstick with this winning shade. If you want your lips to be the star of the show, reach for this red. An enchanting lipstick that delivers. The lip color is classic, making it a great standard to keep on hands for hot evenings. It's browner than the deepest red and looks sensuous and mysterious. If you're after an exotic, slightly witchy goth look, try this. Sneak a bit of bling into your everyday beauty look with this metallic lipstick. It veils lips under a delicate shine that's appropriate for the office or wedding season. It's a fiery matte red metallic lipstick that pops on all skin tones. Once it dries, this lipstick will not budge until you wash it off at the end of the day. This is the most understated of the bunch and a great full coverage basis. If you're new to brown lipstick, this would be a good choice to ease your way in. Flattering nude, a metallic finish and easy to apply liquid formula. Check, check and check. Plus all it takes is one stroke for complete color payoff that also lasts forever. The shade can just be worn over the lips if you have natural pink lips. This will give a matte-like finish with a shimmer touch, though I prefer to wear it over my pink lipsticks more for a quick glam look. It's my most favorite shade from their metallic range, a very gorgeous metallic color. That's going to be the end of this video. If you all liked it, hit that like button and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.